your girl Monae. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so that you can't miss any videos that I post. And so I'm just going to start off by putting some Vaseline on my lips because they was kind of dry, and I'm also going to moisturize my face. And so I've been gone for a little minute. I usually post every other day, but you guys will be happy to know that I recently enrolled into cosmetology school and I just completed my first week. So that's what I've been up to. And today we'll be doing a rainbow cut crease look. It's going to be super cold and we're using like neon colors. That we'll be using, I got them off of Amazon and I'll link it below. But we're going to start off with putting some green in the corners of both eyes so that we can keep like, what's it called, a control. This ain't science, y'all, I don't know, but we're just going to do it so that it matches the other eye, but everything else will be different. Well, besides like the main color going on where we're cutting the crease. And so for this eye, I wanted it to be green, orange, and purple. So also keep in mind that this sheds a lot. I'm going to link it below so that you guys can use it if you want to use it. But the fallout is absolutely awful, okay? Like, I mean, it's easy to get off. It's easy to cover up. So, I mean, it's not really a problem. And also, if like you don't pat it on, then like it will be like super dull. And yeah. And so for this eye, we're going to do green, yellow, and blue. And now we're going to cut our crease with our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural, and pretty much just follow the shape of the eyeshadow and then do the same exact thing to the other eye. And y'all, I be so excited watching myself cut my crease because y'all remember when I couldn't? Like, I used to watch everybody's videos like, why is it so easy for everybody to cut their crease, but I cannot? Now look at me. I'm just so cold at it now, okay? Like, come on now, y'all see it. It looked like butter, y'all. It looked perfect. And so don't even worry about this little part, y'all, because we're going to fix that up with some concealer and it's going to be smooth and seamless. And so now we're going to take our pink and pat it on. Like, don't just brush it on because it's going to get dull and faded looking. So you just pat it on and don't really be concerned about like getting it along like the top of the concealer because we're going to clean that up with some white liner. And yeah, just pat that on. And so this is some NYX white liner. I actually started in the middle so that like, you know, when you first put it on, you kind of heavy-handed. I wanted to avoid that and just start in the middle so that like I can start in the beginning softly and make sure it transitions smoothly. And so now we just clean up that eye, sis. Like, look at how clean that looks. Like, y'all just see how like perfectly angled that concealer makes it. I told y'all we clean up so nice. I said that before, y'all. I can't repeat it no more. We clean up so well. And so I said it before, but I'll say it again. Do y'all see like that orange looking color all over my face? That is all from fallout. I just brushed it off and my foundation and everything is going to cover it. But just look at that. Like, if you wanted to do this eye look with like without any foundation, you would be orange. So keep that in mind if you buy this. So this look, like, it was missing something for me, so I decided to go in with some black liner. Yeah, so I just lined my eyes with it. And y'all, I know I've been gassing myself this whole video, but I just feel like this look was just so perfect. Like, I even put on this black liner perfect. Like, just watch, y'all. Just watch. And so now I'm putting on some lashes with my duo, and I should have put on my mascara first, but for some reason I always forget. And yeah. And look, y'all, even while we orange, we cute. Come on now. Come on now. Look at that. Look at them butterflies contrasting with that eyeshadow. Come on now. When I tell y'all every colored butterfly is in my eyeshadow, like y'all see how perfectly that correlate? It's the details for me, y'all. Come on now. I am just so in love with this look, y'all. But if you enjoyed this video like how I enjoyed making it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.